Dear children, today we will learn about the third arm of the Union government, that is, the judiciary. Let us start. The judges and the courts of our country form our judiciary. We have three types of courts in India. They are Supreme Court, High Court, and District Courts. The Supreme Court in New Delhi is the highest of the courts. It has a Chief Justice and many other judges. Do you know the name of the Chief Justice of India? Think about it. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President. He or she advises the President on the other judges to be appointed to the Supreme Court. Below the Supreme Court are the High Courts of the states. Most states have a High Court. The states that do not have one share the High Court of another state. The High Court is the highest court in a state. Below it are the district courts. Do you know, children? The Guwahati High Court is shared by Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mizoram. Now, let us learn about what courts do. The main function of the courts is to see that everything happens according to the law. This includes punishing those who break the law and protecting those who are innocent. When someone is arrested for committing a crime, the courts decide whether the person is really guilty and what punishment he or she should get. They also settle disputes, means fights. The dispute could be over money, a piece of land, and so on. When people are not happy with the decision of a lower court, they can go to the next higher court. For example, if the people are not happy with the decision of a district court, then they can go to the high court, the next level court. If the people are not happy with the high court decision, then they can go to the Supreme Court, the highest court in India. Now, let us understand the new words. First, arrest means catch a lawbreaker, whoever breaks the law. Second, crime, an act that is against law. Third, dispute, it means fight or disagreement over any issue. It can be over money, a piece of land, and anything. I hope, children, today's topic is clear to you. Thank you.